In this video, I like to demonstrate how hooks work in Mangobase. So this is the hooks editor, and this is where we compose our hooks. But before I continue, I'd like to add a user field to both tasks and categories. So I go to edit, add a new field, call it user. It's required, and it's a relation to the user's collection. Update, and we have our updated collection. I'll do the same for categories. Sorry, it's user, a relation to users, and update. Nice. Also, I like to log in so I can get a token to make authenticated requests. So just copy this, paste it here to log in. So you get a free login endpoint as well to log in. So our username and password. And we get our token. Nice. So I'm going to update the headers here for authorization, and that is it. So I can still make requests for categories. So now from our dashboard, we realize that we need a user field when creating a category or a task. So let me try to make a post request for category. So make a post, and the title, let's say the title for categories, for the category is shopping. When I try to make a post, it says the user field is required. So what we need to do is add a user here, right? But instead of doing this, we may want to infer the user from the authentication. So what we can do is go to our hooks and then add this hook. So this is the assign auth user hook, and it assigns the user field to the authenticated user. So I'm going to plug that to the create. So you drag from here and connect it here and then save. Now when I try, this should work. So you should see the user, and this is the ID of the authenticated user. So hooks like give you a way to run some functions before the context hits the service. You can actually add more hooks. So I can add another hook here called log data. And when I save this and create another category, let's say vacation, and then make a post, when we go to our logs, you will see the logged data there. So from observation, you see that this ran and then this also ran before it hits the service. You can actually compose the hooks like this. Before patch, you want to log the data. So before a patch request hits the service, it's going to run log data, right? You can also have the hooks after. So let's say, so there's a special hook here called custom code. So when I add this and move it here, it allows us to write our own code. Maybe after creating a category, we want to send someone an email. So you can have like a fetch request here, do an await, fetch. And let's say you have a send grid template, you can call your send grid API to send that email. So yes, so these are the cool things that hooks offer in Mangobase. And I hope this is helpful. In case you don't understand anything, you can reference the docs, and you can get more understanding of how it works. And also, I like to add these hooks. So there are a number of hooks here, like restricting the method. So for example, this restrict method let's say we don't want people to be able to delete a category. So we add a restrict method to remove and save. Now when we go to endpoint and we do a delete to this category, so let's put this category, we get a method not allowed there. But let's say as a developer you would want to be able to remove some stuff from the API. You can check this, save, and when you try to remove, it works. So now it's gone and get 200. Okay. So yes, this is how wonderful hooks are. I hope you get to try them too. Have a nice day. Catch you in the next one. Bye.